Melbourne with Off Leash Canine Training, Central Florida. Come here. Here I have 5-month-old Noche. He is a French bulldog. He is so tiny and so cute. He's just come to us for the 2-week board and train. He is just your typical puppy. He's just wild and crazy and he's got no stability. So we're going to give him the good, come here, yes. We're gonna give him the good basics he needs and get him out in public and used to seeing things. He's so crazy. He is gonna be so much fun. I really look forward to showing you guys how he does. I'm gonna just see what he knows. Noche, come on, place. Come on, up here, come on. All right, let's just put you up here so everybody can see you. Noche, sit. Yeah, nope, sit. Yes, down. Oh, down. Sort of. Good boy, you chewing my fingers. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay. I know he's not had a collar on before. He's got a harness, but it's really too big for him. So I just put this on him so I can take him out easier. Noche, come. Noche, come. Good boy. All right. He doesn't know anything. He's just doing things just because he wants to see if I'm going to play with him and all that good stuff. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. I really look forward to showing you guys his progress over the next 2 weeks. Oh, you fell over. And yeah, he's going to be fun. Come on. Good boy, come on.